Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install Adobe Lightroom on Android. Let's get started. First, open your Play Store. Open your Play Store, and then in here you can click on the search. Click on the search, and then you can search Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom, and then in here you can see Adobe Lightroom. Just click on it, and then in here you can click on install, this one. Yes, and then please waiting. And then after this after the download application, you can see installing, and then please waiting. And finish. So after this you can click on open, and then how to and then that's how to install Adobe Lightroom on Android. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.